So here's the cover. I just got it back from Laporte. All right, there's plenty of good companies out there. These guys called me and asked me, how is it fitting? And I said, well, I think it's fitting fine. I just had a couple things that I wanted changed or fixed on it. They said, send it back to us and we'll fix it. So I sent it back to them, and now I'm unpacking it. I'm gonna put it on the boat and see how it fits. Beautiful day, South Florida. We got the cover back from Laporte. So talk about customer service. They just happened to call and they say, hey, we've got some reports that the back wasn't fitting good with mercuries on a 28 Sportsman. And I said, no, it looks fine to me. I really didn't have any problems with it. I looked at it and everything, and she goes, well, take a few pictures, send it back to us if you need to, and we'll just evaluate it and see what it's like. And then more and more I talked, I was like, you know what, I did notice that it's no big deal, but this was a little long and it was just coming over here. It was just kind of bunching up a little bit underneath the eye. And they said, well, send it back to us, we'll taper it up. So they tapered it up. They tapered it up that way. And then I also mentioned, I go, you know what, a seam up here kind of looked like it was getting ready to maybe to kind of go, stretched out a little bit. Well, I sent it back and man, that's all fixed up. And I go, you know what, I love my cover, it fits good. A lot expensive, it's $2 grand, you know. I go, but you know what, the zipper, when its zipper sits over here against my hull, it kind of rubs a little bit, and I got to put a cover or something. So they sewed this big pad in here. This is a thick pad, and it just lays over here. Now the back of the zipper and the thread is not scratching and beating the heck out of the side of the boat like that. So the only thing I had to pay for was shipping back, and they shipped it right back to me, less than 2 weeks. I mean, I can't say enough about them. I think it's great. Someone to reach out and follow up, see if you liked your product like that, and it fits fine. So dynamite, I'm super happy. That's kind of a cool pad, because before I was putting a carpet there and it was wearing off and everything. So we'll see. This is a year old, so we're still doing good with it, and we'll see how long it lasts and takes us beating from the sun and all. But very happy so far. Not sponsored, but hey, when something's great, I tell people about it, and when something sucks, I tell more people about it. So I think it's great.